Is it happening right now?
No, it's like that.
Great. Very good.
See, I don't have no tea. I don't need
Why are we here? Because I value your opinions. Now, I know a lot of you don't think that I read your suggestions, but I do. I just sit through them every week, and I really look to scrutinize to see what you guys are writing. So, let's just read some of these articles, okay? All right. Number one, what should we do to prepare for Y2K?
What should we do to prepare for Y2K?
I thought you read these every week.
Well, obviously, this one got stuck in the box. That happens occasionally. It happens occasionally. No. One down. Suggestion. We need better outreach for employees fighting depression. Okay. All right. Enough of the jokes. Nobody in here is suffering from depression.
Sounds serious, Mike.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Who wrote it? Tom. That is a joke because there was nobody here named Tom.
You worked in accounting up until about a year ago.
You know what to do? Fry like tomato there, like what you do to
All right.
other people
Next
there.
suggestion.